May nag-reply sa dati kong post, ano po daw ang requirements ng cyber libel. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Let's talk law. Number 1, meron pong defamatory imputation. This pertains to a statement or fact that we make against another person which is malicious, degrading, defamatory. It may be real or imaginary. Ibig sabihin po, it may be true or it may be fake. But the point is, it is degrading and insulting against another person. Number 2, there is publication. You post this on social media, which includes Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any form of social media, which makes use of any technological device such as our cell phones, tablets, or laptops. Number 3, the identity of the person is readily identifiable. Ibig sabihin po, whether you put the name or you don't put the name, as long as the person's identity can be determined by that post, because klaro naman, even without saying their name or showing their face. And number 4, malice. You do it with malicious intent. This can pertain to actual malice. In other words, alam mo talaga na it's fake or it's false, or clear disregard of the truth, where you don't care if it's true or not, but you say it anyways. Yun na po yung mga elements ng cyber libel. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and follow. See you in the next one. Peace.